On September 27th, Hurricane Helene ravaged western North Carolina. This Category 5 hurricane devastated the Swannanoa, Chimney Rock, and Bat Cave areas near Asheville. The Rocky Broad River flooded 25 feet, wiping out roads, homes, businesses, and entire towns. 7 weeks later, I drove through Bat Cave and the Swannanoa areas. Here is what I saw. Piles of trees along the side of the road. As we get closer to Chimney Rock, I saw a truck along the side of the road scooping up these piles of trees with these big clamps. So I guess these have been broken up after falling on the road. I'm getting closer and closer, and I'm seeing a lot of destruction. Just not even into the town yet. I see buildings torn apart. It's super, super surreal to be here. There's trees down all over the place. There's destroyed buildings. There's cars where they shouldn't be. It's wow. And I'm not even in the heart of it yet. This is called Old Fort. See all the damage right here. Some town called Old Fort. It's just off the 40.
When possible, make a U-turn.
So I just stopped for gas, and it's the whole energy, the vibe. Everybody is very solemn and quiet, and understandably.
Keep right on Bat Cave Road.
I'm on Bat Cave Road now. So we're heading to Chimney Rock and Bat Cave. I'm just gonna pick up footage along the way. Wall of destruction. Food and supplies right there. Just destroyed. I'm sure all that stuff was on the road when it happened, and they just cleared it off. Alright, there's more dump trucks up here. It's just dump truck after dump truck. So as I drive down Bat Cave Road, it's kind of like an earthquake. There's no rhyme or reason. Like every second house is okay, or some houses are just untouched, others are completely destroyed within a couple hundred yards of each other. It's just so weird. Anyway, I have the camera on the car. We're just gonna drive down Bat Cave Road, through Chimney Rock, and then through Bat Cave, and then hopefully up to Asheville.
Just go around that truck right there.
So there is a mobile home in the river that's
When
completely
possible,
destroyed.
make a U-turn.
To say this is a blighted area is a bit of an understatement. This is a poor area of North Carolina. There's debris all over the place. Trees everywhere. It's really bad. So I asked the guy about Chimney Rock, and he said the whole town is gone. The road's gone. All the buildings are gone. It's just, there's nothing left of Chimney Rock. And that's what we came up to. Road closed. So we had a road closed, no trespassing past this sign, locals only, no through road, no through traffic, all that kind of stuff. So we've had to turn around, go back. Foundations left right along the river here. There's foundations, the houses are completely gone. This is gnarly. The road's gone. Holy shit. That was a little sketchy. The road's gone. So I'm on Highway 9 right now, and every like quarter mile, half a mile, there's a chunk of road missing. There are trees all over the place. Houses buried in the silt and the dirt and the trees down below in the canyons. There's the signs you see all over the place. Unsafe road, drive at your own risk. So much destruction. But they are doing a great job in trying to rebuild it and clear it off, open it up. So kudos to everybody lending a hand and making it happen. It's a big, overwhelming project. We just passed the Eastern Continental Divide at 3,028 feet. You see the guardrail? Mountain just came down right here. It is now over here. The guardrail. I just barely cleared a lane so people can get by. So I went up the mountain towards Chimney Rock, and I came down a different way, and I have no idea how that happened. So I pulled off just before Asheville in a place called Swannanoa, and apparently there is a very big mess. So we're gonna go have a look, see what's doing. There was a Lowe's hardware store that was closed, got flooded, and there was a full Walmart that got flooded, and I guess they're both empty now. So we're gonna go check it out in Swannanoa, which is just outside of Asheville. Got tents over there and RVs.
river just flooded through here. We're driving through a neighborhood in the Swannanoa area, and there's piles of garbage on the street, piles of furniture and stuff that they took out of the house that's soaking wet and ruined. So let's drive down another street here. Stop and Go smoke shop across the street is completely destroyed, as well as this water just wreaked havoc on all these buildings. There's the tire shop, motorcycle shop. These businesses along the river are destroyed. Billy, this guy trying to fix some stuff. Auto repair. It's horrible. The closer I get to Asheville, the worse it gets. We got food kitchens and everything set up right here in the grocery store. There's tents in the parking lot, food lines. Wow. Wow. Bathrooms. Okay, I stopped behind the grocery store where the FEMA set up, and there are food lines and supplies and stuff like that. I'm going to see if I can walk through. I don't want to be rude or insensitive, but I just kind of want to get a feel for the vibe, see if this works. I got some drone footage, but see what it feels like on the ground. See all the FEMA trucks over there. There's a giant tanker with potable water. Food lines over there. RVs everywhere. 2 tankers, 3 tankers with potable water. Restrooms. Disaster relief of Southern Carolina. The tents and emergency equipment staged at the gas station here. Mobile laundry. What else? Red Cross. Showers. Laundry, showers, water, food, Wi-Fi charging, showers, restrooms, FEMA, showers. Got it all set up here in the parking lot at the mall, the little strip mall here. Grocery stores closed. All the stores are closed, but got all this set up for everybody. Emergency response logistics here. Tankers for water. Got food rations over here. Clothes. Disaster relief, free clean water, clothes over here. Should donate some of my clothes. Some smokers going. Clothes over there. Well, that was super sad. So many people just out of a home, out of the. And we're gonna drive out here. See this mass of people. All these people coming together to help each other. It's awesome. Swannanoa. The road's closed up here. Massive amounts of dirt over here. So the road's closed right here. There's like massive amounts of dirt and debris. Tractors kind of gave way. Super 8 motel is closed. Gas station here is destroyed. Hotel looks like it got flooded out. tractor trailer just thrown onto the other side of the road, onto the golf course. Crazy, the power of water. Cars, look at the sediment. They're full of sand, just absolutely destroyed. The inside of the car is completely full of sand. Seems to be open, so things are still open. Things that didn't get destroyed, I guess. But Walmart is closed. Walmart, fences around it. A lot of Walmart trucks, security. Oh, this whole strip mall is closed. Flooded. Tons of dump trucks hauling away all the sand and debris. But Kohl's is open. Kohl's is open. So if you need clothes, you can get them. There's the river that overflowed. It's just massive destruction. All right, we're not getting through that way. I'm gonna go up to the Blue Ridge Parkway and see if we can see something. Oh, there's a lot of cones. I don't think we're getting on the Blue Ridge. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe it can only go one way. Well, north. Into the line on the Blue Ridge. Alright, so I took a little bit of the Blue Ridge Parkway and here's where it ends.
Day 2, exploring the destruction from Hurricane Helene.
Good morning, it's day 2 here in Asheville, Hurricane Helene. Anyway, we're gonna try, I say anyway all the time, don't I? Anyway, we're gonna try to get to Chimney Rock another way. So I'm looking at the nav and there's another way into Chimney Rock, so I talked to one guy and he said apparently it's like completely gone, so just to see the remnants is, I guess, if nothing else. So I think it's about 40 minutes from here. We're at Swannanoa, which is just outside Asheville. So I'll keep you posted. Had a restless sleep last night in the FEMA parking lot, and I think there was a secret agent or some guy from a 3-letter government entity parked beside me, probably up all night. I think he's sleeping now. He was just keeping watch. I don't know what he was doing, but I've done enough surveillance to know that that guy was doing surveillance on something, for somebody. So anyway, I will get back to you when we get closer to Chimney Rock. Say good morning. Say good morning, Turd Dog. Say good morning, Turd Dog. Say good morning, Turd Dog. Bat Cave, this way. I think that is one of the coolest names for a town I've ever seen. Where do you live? Bat Cave. And we're about 5, almost 6 weeks past the hurricane. There's still a lot of debris to be picked up, a lot of trees. We're crossing the Blue Ridge Parkway right now, just underneath it, heading to the Bat Cave. Another FEMA center right there at the other Ingalls grocery store. So it looks like they set up all their FEMA stations at the grocery store. So, wow. Just wow. So as I drive down the road, it's kind of a hit and miss for businesses being open or closed. Like every second one is open, some are closed. So you can't really rely on, going to your favorite breakfast place or store, because you never know if it's going to be open or not. So we just probably went up like 500 feet or 1,000 feet, and pretty unscathed up here. Everything looks pretty normal. No debris. Don't see a lot of trees down. So I guess it didn't hit this area. But we're heading into the mountains, into Bat Cave and a bunch of other small little towns along this route. See all the debris in the river next to the road here. Wow. Debris all over the side of the road. So that means their house flooded and they just emptied the contents onto the road for the trucks to come by and pick it up. So there's a lot of that. A lot of streets have a lot of couches and mattresses and stuff that was just destroyed. It's a long, windy road climbing up into the hollers of North Carolina. Girton. One lane road ahead at various points. There's trees all over the road, cut. I guess this was a nightmare when it happened. Bed, breakfast, and biscuits. Three B's, bread, biscuit, breakfast, and biscuits. A play place for you and your pets. That is cool. 3 B's right there. There's a little lake. A little motel. I'm gonna go check that out on the way back. That's super cool. Play place for you and your pets. So after you get up the million switchbacks, look at this guy. After you get up the million switchbacks, it kind of levels out, and it's really nice up here. Like, I could live up here. Road closed to through traffic. Go, 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 go. Road closed through traffic. We're gonna go anyway. There is a lot of damage up here. A lot. Power lines down still. Wow. Precarious. The road looks like it's gonna give way. I'm not sure how much farther I should be going. My van weighs 6 tons. So, I don't know how about, I guess they've shored up the road, but Chimney Rock, tasting room, so you can see where the mud came down. Cool old cabin. There, Laughing Waters, Nut Forest. Wow, look at the debris over here. No, this guy's house is trashed. See where the water came down and just destroyed the house. All right, we made it to Bat Cave. There's the sign. This road was not here a little while ago. They fixed that. Anyway, so we'll continue on, see what we find in Bat Cave. For sale. Left, just completely decimated. Roads, they had to make these roads up because the entire road was washed away. The house is sitting precariously. Mother Nature is not nice. In some houses are completely untouched. Look at this. Guy's picket fence is still up. And then next door, complete destruction. Wow. The house is completely gone.
Bat Cave, a small enclave located about 31 miles from Asheville, suffered severe damage. The broad river swelled to more than 24 feet above normal, ripping houses off their foundations and washing them down the raging river. The only bridge was unstable to cross. People were trapped for days. Helicopters had difficulty finding safe places to land with supplies.
Look at this road, completely eaten away. Woodworkers and weavers. Some stores right here. And then the road washed away again. Cut all the dirt from underneath the roadway. Here's where the mudslide happened. There's the guardrail completely broken off. This is a beautiful part of the world. River running through the gorge, mountains, trees, and fresh air and fresh water. And Mother Nature decided to destroy it. Over there, there's a propane tank still there. is Bat Cave. Look at this guy's house. Nice house, untouched. Wow. But you can't get to it because he's cut off because his bridge was right here. Bunch of people waiting. Bunch of houses over on the other side that are in the water now. Wow. This guy's house unscathed. There's a fridge. Is that a fridge? No. Concrete block. That was a bridge. To the other side, no longer there. Power lines down everywhere. They had to restring new power lines to get power into here. These guys look okay for the most part. There's another FEMA camp right here in Bat Cave. FEMA camp is at the fire station. The cop was looking at me. Not really supposed to be sightseeing here. So I want to go this way.
When possible, make a U-turn, then take the first left.
It's another makeshift road. The road was completely wiped out. That house is sitting precariously on poles. That house saved barely because the road was given away. That house looks good. Almost went down. Look at the dirt and debris. That's a really nice new house. And then they got some stuff over here. Seems to be okay.
Turn left at the stop sign.
Can't get to that house anymore. This road is completely wiped out. See how nice it is? Rolling hills and rivers and no road. Alright, I don't know if I want to go back the other way. It's kind of gnarly. And this is a new way. So let's see what's happening down here. Just utter devastation. I can't even, just sad. It's really sad. I mean, it was a beautiful place to live, and I'm sure some people will rebuild. I don't know if everybody will. People might just vacate and say, you know what, it's not worth it. A lot of trauma, probably, with losing everything, losing your house, your car, everything. Losing everything has got to be one of the most traumatic things anybody can go through. So maybe they will find another holler, rebuild there. I don't know, but today is day 2 Going through Hurricane Helene areas of devastation, and I think we're done. I don't know if we want to try to venture some more stuff over there. I've seen a lot. I got some good footage. Just wanted to see firsthand what it looked like and kind of experience the vibe some more. Debris everywhere. Look at this. So the water came rushing down here and across the road and then that way. These boulders are tons and tons, and these trees just are like spears. And these guys are fine. Perfectly fine. All right, that's it, guys. That's it for my Hurricane Helene. All right, we are off, heading west. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check back soon.